Hello guys, you're welcome to this quick fix tutorial, a ransomware controlled folder access fix. Anytime you try to launch an app from a fresh installed Windows 10 or Windows 11, you might be faced with this error warning: could not retrieve the user documents folder location. So using temporary folder, it will then give you a directory to the temporary folder it is gonna use. This error warning can happen to After Effects, Premiere Pro, Media Anchor, or all Adobe Creative Cloud app, even game apps, Affinity, Dropbox, or any other app you are trying to launch on your window. Even when you click OK, the program is going to proceed to run. Some other programs may just terminate right there when you hit OK. Then even when it proceeds to run like this and you continue with your project, you will not be able to save this project. So when you hit Ctrl S on your keyboard and then hit save, it will bring up this warning again, unable to locate the folder, So you hit OK, you will not be able to save your existing project. There's nothing wrong with your app. It is just the ransomware protecting or defending the PC, blocking your app from running on the PC. So here is a step-by-step fix for that. On your PC, search for security and select this Windows security option. Then you go to virus and threat protection. You need to scroll down until you see ransomware protection. Under ransomware protection, click manage ransomware protection. Here you see the control folder access. This is what triggers that denial. So all you need to do now is to come to this option below here that says allow an app through controlled folder access. You click that. It is going to prompt you and you say yes. So here you can see this button above that said add and allow an app. So you can click here, then you'll be faced with two options: recently blocked apps or browse all apps. So if you are using the browse all app, you will need to navigate to your program files, then the directory for that app you are trying to launch. Or the easiest way, because you've already run the program and it has blocked it, so you will find it on the list of recent blocked apps. So I'm going to go with that option. So you can see all the apps it has blocked related to your After Effects or any other app you are using. So just click the plus icon to add all of them. So this is the same with any other app you have. If you did not find your app on that list of recent app, you might need to use the browse option. This way you go to my PC, or this PC, you go to local disk C, then program files, then Adobe. In this case is After Effects 2025. You go to support files, then you scroll down until you see the executable file, then you select it and hit OK. So that is the process. So let's see if that has been fixed. Close the Windows security. Then you go back to your start. Let's go with the After Effects that will try to open. So After Effects 2025. This is also applicable to every other app that is being blocked. You can see that warning is not there. Now, if we start a new project, you will be able to save. So let's save now. Ctrl S. You see, if you hit save, that is going to save. So guys, this is a quick fix for this controlled folder access from ransomware and your Windows security. If you find this video helpful, please like the video, share it to somebody who might find this helpful. So until I see you again on the next one, my name is SSB Otaru for Motion Digit Studios.